Welcome in this video about Drought Watch and its use. In this video, I will say a few words about the Drought Watch tool and why it was developed, while the other two topics I will talk more about in separate videos. Drought Watch was developed in the frame of a transnational dry Danube project now finished. Countries involved in it are colored in dark blue on this map here. There turned out to be a great diversity of national drought monitorings on a relatively small area of Europe and a mainly reactive way of dealing with drought. So the project's main objective was to enable cross-border comparable drought monitoring, to make risk and impact assessment, and to improve countries' response to drought. The project brought together 8 national hydrometeorological services, 3 faculties, 3 research institutions, and a non-governmental organization from altogether 10 Danube-basin countries. Also, some stakeholders of this project, such as Civil Protection Administration, environment agencies, and different ministries, helped too by providing input on their needs and gave feedback on draft results. So one of these results was the Drought Watch tool, which was developed to address the first part of the project objective. You are kindly invited to check the rest of the results and good practices by visiting the project website written here. The main concept of what a tool the Drought Watch would be was that it would integrate in one place a range of drought datasets that allow the same view on drought development, regardless of national borders. Along with that, the tool has regular information available on actual impacts of drought out there in the fields. And the third set of information in Drought Watch are maps of risk for drought occurrence, to even get to see which areas are prone to drought, either in terms of their climatological characteristics or through potential crop yield loss. So the idea was to develop a tool that would provide operational services with all these 3 sets of drought information, on which they could then form a timely and accurate drought information for stakeholders to be better prepared for drought. So what exactly is Drought Watch? In short, it's an open online tool for drought monitoring through different drought indices. But it's not just a simple web page with maps, but an interactive tool with multiple functionalities that allow users to view and examine drought datasets. In the frame of the project, the integrated datasets were meant to cover at least meteorological and agriculture drought, but the tool is developed in a way that allows integration of additional datasets, for example, to cover also hydrological drought. These drought indices are refreshed daily, weekly, or every 10 days, and this way enable near real-time information on the state of soil and vegetation, so it gives the potential to detect drought in its early stage. As mentioned in the previous slide, Drought Watch integrates 3 different types of drought information. This includes remote sensed and modeled data sets, which are obtained from satellites and reanalysis, then on-field drought impact information, obtained from national reporting networks. I will talk more about them in separate videos. And there's also drought risk maps that were created through a one-time assessment of past rainless events and past yield loss events. The added value of such a tool is that it enables a wider picture on current state of drought conditions in terms of spatial coverage, that is, to look outside the national territory in a comparable way, and also in terms of enabling temporal view on drought, so it allows users to browse through maps and analyze data for the past months or years. Current drought indices available in Drought Watch are provided by a number of institutions. Among these are Research Center for Slovenian Academy of Sciences and Arts from Slovenia. That's a team that also set up the tool and provide tool maintenance and technical support. Then there is also Technical University of Vienna from Austria, Czech Globe Partners from the Czech Republic, the Drought Management Center for Southeastern Europe based in Slovenia. Then there's also European Drought Observatory under the European Commission, and also Slovenian Environment Agency, which ensures the sustainability of the tool as well. The tool is constantly worked on, either for some updates or for integration of additional datasets that some countries is willing to provide the data or a new index for, like an extension in the tool. Here are some very useful links about DroughtWatch. You can freely access it at droughtwatch.eu website. In the bottom right corner of the tool, you will see the manual button, which leads you to a user manual in a text form. There is also a video tutorial posted on YouTube that guides users through all its buttons and what they do. In addition, there were two very short videos made, available also on YouTube. One is the animation about the tool, and the other one tells the views from some of its developers. For those interested in scientific understanding of the tool, you can freely access an article about DroughtWatch on ResearchGate or Siendo websites. So this was in short few things about the DroughtWatch tool and its purpose of development. Thanks for watching.